Introducing the all-new Mitsubishi Outlander. The fourth generation of this all-new flagship SUV will raise the bar for the entire Mitsubishi Motors lineup. With a complete design overhaul, improved performance and innovative technology, this premium quality 7-seater blends form and function in brave new ways. The all-new Outlander portrays a confident and strong personality, achieved through Mitsubishi Motors' bold stride design concept. The distinctive next-generation dynamic shield front visually enhances the Outlander's presence. Daytime running lights and turn signals are positioned higher to provide better visibility for other drivers and pedestrians, with low-positioned headlights providing improved distant lighting without impairing the vision of oncoming drivers. The strong horizontally structured side profile exudes power, with broad surface lines enhancing the masculine look, and is complemented by a large diameter 20-inch alloy wheels and overhanging fenders which highlight the wide body. While at the rear, the hexagonal horizon design expresses stability and security, and is complemented by the distinctive T-shaped taillights which further emphasize the all-new Outlander's impressive width and distinctive bearing. The Outlander comes in a range of colour options, including cosmic blue mica, deep bronze metallic, sterling silver metallic, titanium grey metallic, black mica, red diamond, white diamond, and now also black diamond, which is newly added to the lineup. The interior of the all-new Outlander has been designed with omotenashi, Japanese for hospitality. Now expanded to accommodate 7 people in advanced comfort in its upper-class quality cabin, the vehicle provides a comfortable sanctuary for the entire family. The linear instrument panel with a powerful horizontal tone gives the Outlander its spacious and roomy look. The upper part is covered with a soft padding wrapped in leather and features intricate stitching. This is continued onto the large door inserts and floor console sides, creating a luxurious and comfortable space, accompanied by 2 premium massage seats. Interior colour and material options include light grey or black fabric seats, genuine leather seats of light grey or black, and black suede and semi-aniline leather seats. For the driver, a 12.3-inch full digital driver display equipped with Mitsubishi Motors' first full-screen, full-colour liquid high-definition crystal display, which can present a variety of content in an uncluttered manner on a large screen. In addition to the driver's display, Mitsubishi Motors has for the first time installed a full-colour 10.8-inch head-up display located on the windshield, which provides driving information safely and more quickly. A large 9-inch centre display is also available, equipped with smartphone link audio navigation system providing highly accurate route information using maps and navigation functions. With wireless connection to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, users could also enjoy a variety of applications. Audio functions can be easily selected, and with built-in theatre-like sound from the advanced Bose sound system featuring 10 speakers and a digital subwoofer in 9 different areas around the vehicle, the all-new Outlander creates a natural acoustic space that the whole family can enjoy. For more convenience, the vehicle is now equipped with memory seats for up to 2 people, which electronically adjust, allowing the driver's seat to move into preset positions at the push of a button. Loading and unloading cargo is now easier thanks to extended door frame widths, and more convenient with power remote tailgate with hands-free access. The interior space is fully customizable with 40-20-40 split rear seats, providing versatility to match any activity, and the wide array of luggage and seating arrangements are designed to fit your needs. Available in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options, the all-new Outlander is powered by a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine, redeveloped to achieve improved horsepower, torque and reduced emissions by incorporating the latest technologies. The four-wheel drive models utilise an electronically controlled four-wheel drive incorporating a hydraulic clutch operated by an electric motor, in addition to the improved Super all-wheel control integrated vehicle dynamics control system. In the two-wheel drive option, brake AYC for front and rear wheel distributed control was also employed to achieve integrated control with ASC and ABS to maintain driving stability on a variety of road surfaces. And with 6 drive modes for the four-wheel drive models and 5 for the two-wheel drive options that can easily and intuitively be selected via a dial located in the center console. The driver can choose the optimal driving characteristics of the all-new Outlander to best suit weather conditions and terrain. The all-new Outlander prioritizes safety with its intelligent advanced driver assistance system and safety features. These include forward collision mitigation system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention alert, rear automatic emergency braking, and multi-around monitor. A total of 7 airbags are installed in the Outlander, including front center airbag for the driver's seat and side airbags for the second row seat as standard. In case of a side collision, the front center airbag deploys between the driver's seat and the front passenger seat. And in the event of airbag deployment, Mitsubishi Connect is installed, which automatically reports any accident to a call center. Style, power and luxury are at the core of the all-new Mitsubishi Outlander, and rugged engineering maximizes performance. Experience a new sense of confidence and motivation in the all-new Outlander to boldly face the road ahead.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.